Hi all. In this class, actually, we are discussing about types of roles. So generally, we are not discussing about the question and answers. Just we are discussing what topics are preferable to ask the questions. Okay. Then in this class, actually in this video, we are discussing about the roles. What are the roles available in Google Cloud? So generally asking the types of roles are available in Google Cloud and how we are using these type of roles. So first we are call it as a primitive roles. So these primitive roles we are call it as a basic roles. So in Google Cloud we have a basic roles. So in basic rules, we have a different types of roles. So first one is a viewer. So viewer role means actually basic roles means overall Google Cloud we have a viewer access. Whatever the services we have in the all total Google Cloud, then we can get the viewer access. So for that we have a role is like a role slash viewer. So, but these overall basic rules are not generally we are preferable for the production grade applications. Generally, whenever we are creating the any Google account, like before creating the organization policies, just we can get the primitive roles. That first one is a basic role. In basic roles, we have a viewer. So viewer means the viewer will get the viewer permission over all the resources which we are in the Google Cloud. So next one we have a editor role. So editor role means just whatever the services we have in the Google Cloud, so we can able to edit those services. Like we can, for example, if we take a compute instances, we can able to delete the compute instance and as well as create the compute instances. We can able to edit the instances, but this role does not give any permissions to the any users. Next, we have a owner. So owner means just it has a total permissions. It has a the owner will give the total permissions to create the instance, delete the instances, and provide the permissions for the other users. So these are the primitive roles. Generally, the primitive roles is not suitable for the production grade applications. Just these are the when if you want to practice any Google. So if you are creating any Google account, then basically we are having these all roles, viewer, editor, and owner. Next one, we have a predefined roles. So the predefined roles morely we are using. So in predefined roles, why you are using the predefined roles means, so predefined roles are not defined by us. Generally in Google Cloud itself, we have a different types of predefined roles are there. So these all roles are managed by the Google, means the created already available. These roles are in the Google Cloud. So for example, if you see the compute engine admin, so this compute engine admin role is already available in Google Cloud. So we are not creating this role. It is already there in the Google Cloud services. In Google Cloud services, different predefined roles are there. So if you are providing the only Google compute engine admin, so for example, particular service account or particular user, if you are providing this role, then it will they can able to create the VMs and delete the VMs and modify the EMs. Like that, every specific service we have a service based roles are there, like compute engine admin, storage viewer, storage object writer. These kind of the predefined rules are there. Generally, most of the cases we are using the predefined rules only we are using. Next one is a custom roles. So custom roles are specially why you are using a custom roles means, for example, if you want storage admin as well as a compute admin, both two roles, if you want to assign a particular service account or particular user, then at that time we are using the custom roles. So these custom roles, for example, here in this case, compute instance need to create and delete as not delete, just only create if you want required, then we can able to create the custom role. Generally, if you see only compute instant admin, it will give both create and delete, but we required only create, then we can create the custom roles. Similar, like if you want to storage admin and compute admin, both we required in one role, that role is not available in Google Cloud. If you want to define that role, then we can create the custom roles. So usually in all big organizations, mostly using the predefined roles and custom roles. The primitive roles are not using. Okay. This is about the roles in Google Cloud.